Hello, Physical Science. I'm Mr. Langham. Today we're going to be doing the Gravity Ball Energy Lab. So hopefully you have your lab handout available to you that you should have access at Schoology. We're going to be walking through the ball drops so you can get the correct times and the mass of the ball to record in your data table. So we're going to start by recording the mass of the ball. We have a scale here. This is the ball we're going to be using. So as you already know, in order to accurately calculate the kinetic and potential energy, we're going to need the mass of the ball. All right, so the mass of this gravity ball, and you're going to want to write this down in the first column on the left under mass. Our mass is going to be 0.124 kilograms. All right, you should have recorded the mass of your ball on your lab handout. We're going to proceed to the ball drops. So here's our gravity ball. We're starting from a height of a half a meter, which is right down here. We're going to do 3 drops for each height. So you're going to need 3 numbers, and we'll give that to you once we get them. So how this gravity ball works, there's a little button here that I hold, and then once I let go, the timer starts, ball drops, and once it hits the ground, it stops. So it records the precise drop time or air time of the ball from release to hitting the ground. All right, so we're going to start with our first trial from a half a meter. 3, 2, 1. All right, so our first time you're going to want to record is 0.35 seconds. Drop 1. All right, drop 2 from a half a meter. 3, 2, 1. We got 0.35 meters, or excuse me, 0.35 seconds again. And now we have drop 3. And for drop 3, we got 0.34 seconds. Yeah, go ahead, stop. All right, so we just got our drops from a half a meter. We're going to be moving on to 1 meter. So we're going to do 3 drops from 1 meter, which is right here. All right, so drop 1 from 1 meter. 3, 2, 1. All right, so our first time is 0.44 seconds. All right, drop 2 from 1 meter. 3, 2, 1. And it did not record, so let's do that again. All right, drop 2 from 1 meter. 3, 2, 1. All right, we got 0.45 seconds for drop 2. And drop 3 from 1 meter. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that one's a little off. We might want to redo that one. Okay. All right, we're going to redo drop 3. Drop 3 from 1 meter. Redo. 3, 2, 1. And we got 0.42. 0.42. All right, so we're starting our final 3 drops from 1.5 meters right here. So we're going to go drop 1 in 3, 2, 1. And that first drop was 0.52 seconds. All right, drop 2 from 1.5 meters in 3, 2, 1. And that one didn't record. All right, drop 2 from 1.5 meters in 3, 2, 1. And we got 0.52 again. And drop 3 from 1.5 meters. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. And the last one is 0.55 seconds. All right, so now that you got your 3 times from each height, the first thing you're going to want to do is calculate the average time for each height. So you're just going to add the 3 times together and divide by 3, and you'll be given an average. Once you have the average time, you can proceed to the calculations on the back of your sheet. Good luck, and ask your teacher if you have any questions.